I was craving calabacitas, so today I'm making calabacitas rellenas de carne molida. These are low carb, high protein, and so delicious. For this recipe, I'll be using 3 Mexican squash. I'm gonna cut the ends and slice them in half. And we're gonna add them to a pot set to medium heat with boiling water. Cook for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and we set aside. Now in a pan set to low-medium heat, I'm gonna cook 1 pound of ground beef. We break it down and we're gonna season with the following that I'm gonna list here. We also add salt to taste, give it a good mix, cook for about 5 minutes. The meat is ready and we set aside. My saucepan is set to medium heat with water and I'm gonna add 3 roma tomatoes, half a white onion, 3 garlic cloves, 4 chiles arbol, and 4 guajillo peppers. Boil for about 10 minutes. Once ready, we transfer to the blender, but first I like to remove the skin from the tomatoes. I'm also gonna add 1.5 cups of the water. Once the calabacitas have cooled down, we can scrape off the middle part and add it to the blender. And this is how they should look. To the blender, I'm also gonna add the following that I'll list here. Last, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, and we blend. Now we can add the meat to our calabacitas, and you can add as much as you like. Once ready, we can cook the salsa. In a pan set to medium heat, I'm gonna add some oil. Once it's hot, we can start frying. Give it a quick stir, and this is the perfect time to check for salt. Let it boil for about 4 minutes, and now we add in the calabacitas. I'm gonna top them off with Monterrey Jack, or you can use the melting cheese of your choice. Now we cover and cook until the cheese melts. And our calabacitas rellenas are ready. This recipe is super easy to make. If you haven't tried this dish, definitely give it a try. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I'm serving mine with some white rice, but you can also enjoy them on their own. All right, guys, and now for the moment of truth. Cheers! This is so good. Honestly, guys, if you're looking for a low carb, high protein lunch or dinner idea, this is your go-to. It's so delicious. And it's super easy to make. And there you have it, delicious calabacitas rellenas. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.